Hey, boys and girls, here's your answers for Thursday. This first one was a little bit different, okay? I didn't tell you how to do this one. You should know, but I just wanted to see what you all came up with, okay? Several different answers for this one. The biggest thing is right here, the total of this cube was 216, um, which they're saying that a rectangular prism, you could make one that's 216 as well, okay? What that means is you have to come up with a length times a width times a height that would equal 216, okay? Here's how I would do it. First thing is I'm going to take 216 and divide it by 2, okay? One of my numbers is going to be 2. So when I do this, 2 goes into 2 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. Bring down my 1. 2 will not fit. I'm going to put my 0, bring down my 16. 2 will go into 16 8 times, okay? So 108 times 2 is 216. Well, I need two numbers that I can multiply together to get 108. Well, I could divide it by 2. I could divide it by 4. I could divide it by a lot of things. I know 9 is one of them because 9 times 12 is 108. 99, 108, right? So I could do 9 times 12 times 2 is 216. So that's the one I was going to use. 9 times 12 times 2. Now, do you want to know if yours is correct? Take your three numbers that you put, whatever they are, multiply them by each other. If you take the first two, get that answer and take it times the third one. If it equals 216, you're good. If not, you need to change it. Okay? For the second one, Colleen found the decorative cookie tin to use for sending cookies to her grandfather. What's the volume of this cookie? Okay, so we got to find the volume of this bad boy. What I'm going to do, and this is, I know it's kind of small, okay, but I'm going to cut it right here. So I got this thing over here, and then I have on the other side, I have figure 1, and over here I have figure 2. All right, so figure 1 is length times width times height. Right here, that's my width, which it says it's 3. How tall is it? Well, it's this one right here. Well, it doesn't have the markings here, but this is the same height. What is that number? 4. So that's going to be 4. And then I just have to figure out how long it is. Well, right here is how long it is from front to back. It's 7. So I have 7 times 3 times 4 for figure 1. So 7 times 3 is 21. 21 times 4 is 84. So figure 1 is 84 inches cubed. That's an inch. Inches cubed. So now we have to do figure 2. Again, it's length times width times height. Figure 2, I'm going to have to erase because I covered up one of the numbers. I'm going to erase this line a little bit, and then I'll make that line again. I just couldn't see. So I'm going to make my cut here. That's my line. Okay. That number I didn't even need because that 7 inches is from here all the way over to here, but I made that cut, so I can't use that anyway. What I see right here is this front piece. That's how wide it is. That's 4 inches. So for my width here, I'm going to put 4. How tall is it? Well, it's still that one right here. It's still 4. It's 4 tall. So now how wide is it? Which one haven't I done? Well, I haven't done, I did this was 4, but I haven't went backwards. This one right here is 3. So it's 3 times 4 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 4 is 48. So my figure 2 is 48 inches cubed. So I just have to add the 2 up. I have to add 84 and 48, put them together. That is a plus sign. 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus my regroup of 1 is 13. So my total for this one is 132 inches cubed. All right, boys and girls, I will see you Tuesday for our last week of school as a fifth grader. And I promise, because I'm a nice guy, I will make it easy on you. Oh, man, you all think I'm going to be easy on you. Nope. And guess what? You can go tell all your friends you all watch the answer video, and Mr. Drake just told you all on your last 3 days of school that he was going to be mean. Don't say I didn't warn you. See you Tuesday.